This video is about installing this drain right here on this concrete piece of sidewalk. I'm having a problem where water is coming down the street, running along this side, going to this drain and clogging it up with debris and leaves on the way down, jumping this curb. The water jumps this curb here, runs down my sidewalk, and then just goes straight towards the house. And I have a video of what happened during a recent flood. Now that's kind of a one-time situation or a once-a-year situation, and as long as you keep that storm drain clean, it should be fairly good. Even though it's a flip of a house, I'm still gonna do it the right way, and that's why I'm gonna show you here how to build this sidewalk with the drain on it. I'm gonna divert water that runs down the sidewalk over to a French drain system here that runs to the side and out the back of the house. So let's get into it. I have 2 or 3 PVC pipes under there, and then it goes out that way. These PVC pipes are also perforated. They have holes in it, so when water runs down this hill, it also collects in there, which I have landscape fabric and all that there, but this video is not about doing a French drain system. I have French drains all over this house now, everywhere you could imagine. But this video is about installing this drain right here on this concrete piece of sidewalk. I really wanted to use some scrap wood here. This is like pallet wood or something, really cheap, and I have a ton of it in my shed, but it's not quite high enough for what I want. So I'm gonna have to cut through some of this wood here. 39 1/4. I got my form set up. I was able to use some of my scraps there, but I got all of this ready. They're screwed in. It's tall enough, you know, it's all set up. This I will start elevating as concrete is under it and kind of mash it down around it. I also got these little stakes here just to help re-support, but we're all squared up, ready to go. I'm gonna dampen this concrete here, as you'll see. And well, actually first let me drill my holes for my rebar. Let's do that.
Look, you can make this as complicated and bomb-proof as you would like. Have a metal grid-like structure would probably be the absolute best here, but I'm already going above and beyond by even installing this thing here. I had basement pros come in and give me guidance on the entire property and what they would do with the French drain system, and none even mentioned putting this in. So go crazy with yours if you'd like. Throw in more steel, get higher grade concrete, whatever you'd like. I'm demonstrating the basic do-it-yourself method, and you could take this above or take it down a notch. I also didn't bring my wheelbarrow or mixing bucket with me, so I'll be dry mixing it here on the spot. And what I'd tell you to do, even though I didn't do it, is to pre-mix it and then pour it in.
Since this slopes this way, this is still super wet while this is dry. I know I need to smooth some of this out, but this is a crisp, perfect round line here or edge. Over here it's getting sloppy because it's so wet. So I'll have to let this dry out a little bit longer and come back, and that's essentially it.